Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Yeah, today I'm going to show you how to find the best passive income in the cryptocurrency. Yeah, if however you are new in the cryptocurrency and you never find it on the market, yeah, don't forget please subscribe on my channel. I'm show you step by step how to find the best passive income and how to find with the real project for staking, right? And now as you see on the crypto super ball, yeah, it has three super ball is big, right? And like the head, right? And the fly and the CAZ, right? So I'm show you how to find the passive income with the all cryptocurrency in the first page in the crypto bubble or the first page in the crypto coins market cap, yeah. And because it has some project can take you, yes, some make your profit easy. You do not anything, yeah, you do not anything, you just go to staking and um, take your profit every day, every week, and every month easy, right? And now if you check on the first page in the coin market cap, you will see number one, yeah, rank number one is Bitcoin, number two Ethereum, and number three Binance, yeah, and number four is Ripple, and number five, yeah, the ADA, yeah. I'm not include the stablecoin, so I'm show you about the project, yeah, can up and down about the price, right? And now I'm show you how to find the um, which project or what the project you can stake in. Now I'm show you the number two ETA. Yeah, you just go to the staking reward and find it. Yeah, and ETA. Yeah, okay, you can see here you can staking and earn ETH around the 15, yeah, for radio, right? And I'm show you about the staking. Okay, yeah, if you staking yeah, if you're staking 100,000 ETH, you can earn around the 400 monthly, right? 400 monthly, and 4,800 yearly. Yeah, this is the profit from the ETH. And I'm show you one more about the project. Yeah, BNB. Okay, BNB give you around the 4 APY. Yeah, it's 4 APY. If you staking around the 100,000 US, and you can earn around $300 per month, right? You can bring around $300 per month and around $4,000 per year. Yeah, and if you want to find the higher APY, or if you want to higher, yeah, you want to get a higher passive income, you can check on this here, yeah, and you can rate the reward. Yeah, I'm show you about the Nmos. Yeah, what's Nmos? Yeah, Nmos give you the higher profit. Yeah, it has 155, yeah, 155. If you holding or if you staking $1,000 your capital, and you can earn 127. And what the Emos, yeah, I'm still use the Emos for you. Emos project. Yeah, Elmos project is showing maximum supply 1 million, 1 billion, right? 1 billion, and all time about the Elmos project. Yeah, it can hire around the $4, right? It however the Elmos is new project Yeah, it around the May 2022. It just joined in coin market cap on the 2022. Yeah, and it can give you the big profit. Yeah, it can give you the big profit 155 APO, right? 155 APO, and this is the prediction or the estimate your passive incomes when you are staking, right? If you staking $10,000, you can earn 1,200, yeah, 1,200. Yeah, and how do you think about this project? Yeah, you can check it all information about this project. Yeah, you can staking and you can buy it anytime on the hobby, yeah, on the Helix, on the Mixi, yeah, and CoinX. Yeah, it new, right? It new listing on this market, and it how 12 exchange it already. Yeah, if you want to buy the AMOS coin, yeah, you can buy on the hobby global. I also yeah, for you guys about the hobbies exchange it already, so you can check it out my video about the hobby global exchange. Yeah, and then you can staking and take your passive income easy, and you staking 10,000 US dollar, and you can earn 55 by 15,000 by 15,527 per year, right? This is a big profit, and in the passive income. Yeah, I'm seeing that this project is so good, right? And number two, right? Assets matter. Yeah, I'm so use the assets matter. Assets matter is to give you 111 APO, right? 111 APO. If you're staking or if you holding this project about the 10,000, yeah, you staking 1,000, and you can earn 91 dollar, guys, per month. Yeah, and you can earn 1,111 dollars per year. Yeah, this is the big profit. Yeah, this is the big profit and passive income. And when for the almost when the almost is upgrade price or increase price from the $2 and until to the 5 or $10, yeah, you can earn 2 passive income, or you can earn 2 your profit easy. The reason one, yeah, the passive income, and number 2, you can take your profit from the increase price. Yeah, and this is the big profit, and the best method I'm also use it in my cryptocurrency, right? Yeah, and if you want to staking only 1,000 US dollar, and you can earn 127 per month, right? And you can earn 1,500 per year from the Elmos, right? And I'm show you, yeah, on the Elmos official. Yeah, the Elmos is the coin blockchain. Yeah, it's not the token. Yeah, it's not the token. It, however, it new listing in the coin market cap, but it has a lot of money trading, right? It has a lot of money trading, and it's so we maximum supply it already, so you don't work. Yeah, it is the coin blockchain. Just so it's so good for the whole and staking, right? And if you want to buy the Elmos, yeah, it's easy. Hobby Global, Helix, and Smixy. Yeah, and you can see here. Okay, you want to staking or you want to buy, yeah, it's easy. Yeah, runs the validator smooth. Yeah, 163 APO, and the delete, yeah, delegates Elmos stable, yeah, 155 APO. Yeah, this is the big profit and the big passive income. Yeah, I want to staking with this project, yeah, because it has the big passive income, and this is the coin blockchain too. Yeah, I like it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget subscribe to my channel.